Swedish origin Dutch headquartered multinational group that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, and home accessories, among other useful goods and occasionally home services. Founded in Sweden in 1943 by 17-year-old Ingvar Kamprad, IKEA has been the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, as of January 2018, Kamprad was the 8th richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of $58.7 billion. The company's name is an acronym that consists of the founder's initials, Ingvar Kamprad, plus those of Elmtorp, the family farm where he was born, and the nearby village Agunnaryd, his hometown in Småland, southern Sweden. Back to the history. Ingvar Kamprad initially founded IKEA in 1943 as a mostly mail-order sales business, but began to sell furniture 5 years later. The first store was opened in Älmhult, Småland in 1958 under the name Mobile IKEA. Mobile means furniture in Swedish. The first stores outside Sweden were opened in Norway in 1963 and Denmark 1969. The stores spread to other parts of Europe in the 1970s, with the first store outside Scandinavia opening in Switzerland in 1973, followed by West Germany in 1974. Amid a high level of success, the company's West German executives accidentally opened a store in Constance in 1973 instead of Koblenz. Later that decade, stores opened in other parts of the world, such as Japan in 1974, Australia, Canada, Hong Kong in 1975, and Singapore in 1978. IKEA further expanded in the 1980s, opening stores in countries such as France and Spain in 1981, Belgium 1984, the United States 1985, the United Kingdom 1987, and Italy 1989. Well, that's enough about IKEA company. I hope this video is useful for all of us, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye. See you soon.